Happy Wednesday! Ay, nakatawa. Kagigising lang ni Hailey, guys. Ipapakita lang namin sa inyong aming dinner na luto ni Harold. Look, wait lang. Ito, guys.
Nakatawa.
Ayan, punong-puno. Sinigang na hipon. Chinese kangkong yung gamit namin, guys. O, ayan, o. Ay, ano to? May ano pa siya? Labanos. Ayan, guys. Kain tayo dinner. 6:40 na. Ayun, o. Meron pa kaming Gigi from kagabi. Favorite yan ni Mama. Request na yan. Kakainin pa yan ni Mama. So, ayan, guys. Yan ang aming ulam. Tagal ni Harold nilinisan yung hipon. Inisa-isa niya yan. Yan ang kanyang effort. Kain. Sarap.
Sabaw ka?
Sabaw? Show them your kilikili. Show them your kilikili. 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 Kilikili.
Kilikili power.
Jesus. Mag-8 months na yung baby kong yan eh. No, excited na sa road trip. Road trip tayo. Okay. Ayan ang aming pang-picnic bukas. Pork belly again, guys. Pang-malakas ang pork belly. Yan ang babaunin namin bukas. Tapos barbecue tayo, no? Tapos sausage. Yung sausage na galing Costco, guys. Ito. Ay, usog mo ngayon, Han. Ito yung binili namin last time. Ang tatak niya is yung Seawin. Masarap daw to eh. May nag-recommend lang. 2 pack to. Yan. I-roll mo na yan. Happy Friday! Excited na kami ng weekend kasi makakagala ulit. Yan. Kahapon first day of summer. Wala kami masyadong vlog. Ay, yung ano pala, ang nangyari. Kwento na lang natin. Yung sunog dun sa may Richmond. Kaso hindi ko na-vlog dito sa camera ko eh. Insert na lang natin.
Breaking news tonight, if you're wondering where is all that smoke coming from, this is where. A major fire is burning in Richmond right now beside the River Rock Casino Resort. We believe it may be the old boat shed there. That hasn't been confirmed, but this is a major fire. It started just after 8 o'clock tonight. You can see the black smoke rising there. We'll switch to another camera in downtown Vancouver, and you can see the cloud. People are calling in this fire from North Vancouver, Richmond, you name it, Delta. It is very visible tonight. The Richmond Fire Department is responding, possibly getting assistance from Vancouver firefighters as well. We'll go back to that first camera view, and this is going to take some time to bring under control. At last words, traffic on the Oak Street Bridge was still moving, although it is slow because of that firefight going on and the smoke that is drifting over the bridge. We don't know how this started. No word of any injuries just yet. We did just call the River Rock. At this point, they're still open, but don't be surprised if that changes. This is a major situation happening in Richmond tonight. A large fire burning, sending a tremendous amount of black smoke into the sky. We have news crews heading to the scene. We have calls into officials. We'll have the very latest tonight on BC1 at 10 o'clock and, of course, on Global News at 11.
I-roll na. Ang bango nung nung tanglad. Amoy na amoy. Nahiwa-hiwa mo na pala yung balat. Tulog si Hailey Potpot, nagnanap. Ano na ngayon eh? 4 p.m. Yan. Panoorin natin, guys, paano itali ni Harold to. May techniques dyan na hindi ko alam. Yun ba siya lulutuin na? Ngayon na, no? Okay. Tapos babaunin na lang natin ang luto na siya. So, bagay, masarap naman yan kahit the next day. Crunchy pa din. Kagaya ng ginawa namin ng birthday ni Mama. 2 pork belly yung ginawa natin, di ba? Makakatikim pala tayo ngayon yan. Maluluto na. Parang napaka-complicated yung pagtatali ah. Yun. Yun. Ayan na guys, luto na. Yun. Umuusok-usok pa. Yan ang aming babaunin bukas sa picnic. At
Dinner natin to.
Ano ba? Dinner ba yan? O yung ba?
Hindi matira, didalhin natin.
Okay. Akala ko aabot pa yan bukas. Dinner. Hindi, nag-dinner na ako dito ng sausage eh.
Ano bang kala mo?
Hindi ko alam ko baunin natin picnic bukas. Kaya niluto mo na.
Sabi ko Friday mag-dilechong belly tayo.
Di ko naman na kala ko. Sorry guys. Dinner pala to pero kumakain na ako ng sausage. Natakam ako dun sa sausage ng Costco eh. Papapak na lang ako niyan. Di ba kumain ka na rin ng rice kanina? Mama, kain tayo pork belly. Yummy!
Ay, Tomas dyan.
Yummy! Na guys. Putok-batok again. Ito na. Hinihiwa na nga ni Harold Chan. Ayan na.
Dala ko muna yun.
Woohoo! Ayan na guys. ASMR. Yummy. Ay, yung kuko ko. Buksan mo. Sarap guys. Kain. The best yan with Mang Tomas. Yun. Beken naman, Mang Tomas. Pingi. Hap. Lasang-lasa yung sanglad niya, yung mga nilagay niya sa loob.